How to turn off two-factor authentication in Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, locate your Facebook application and then open it. Now, simply log in to your account. After that, tap on the menu bar. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings. Go to Account Center. Now go to Password and Security. Now go to two-factor authentication. Select your Facebook account. Now if you have enabled your two-factor authentication, you will also get an option of removing it. You will have to toggle that button off and it will ask you to turn off or confirm turning off. Simply tap on the turn off button and you will be done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.